think about the things in this year that's happened, maybe not just recently, but maybe in the first part of the year. It's important to not forget what the Lord has done in the past and how He's moved on our behalf and how He's come through time and time again. Sometimes it's even just a favor of God, and the favor of God shows up in a big way. I think it's really important that we give God thanks and recognize that wasn't just normal, but that was God showing up on our behalf. We're told in Psalms 103 to bless the Lord and not forget all of His benefits. I think the Message Bible says it this way: "Oh, my soul, bless God. From head to toe, I'll bless His holy name." I like that. Oh, my soul, bless God, and don't forget a single blessing. Isn't that good?